Okay, welcome to the next video, and today I will check if it's still worth to mine Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. For not yet subscribers on this channel, we basically dig deep into investment ideas and just want to know if they are profitable or not. And today I wake up in the morning and YouTube offered me a video, the life of a miner of Bitcoin. And I want simple answer if it's still worth in 2020 to mine Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So let's check two approaches. I will take one kit that is mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies at home or on graphic cards, and I will check the guys that build super large crypto mining area and they invest more than 100 millions to equipment. So I want to know if they are true, some of them, or if they are both full of bullshit. So let's go for it. First, the kit. Let's check the video for the kit. So let's check the kit. Shiny object, graphic cards, you know, his apartment. Okay.
So let's check this out.
Yeah, it's some porn for miners, but I don't care. He's a YouTuber and I want to know if he's making money on mining or just on YouTube. So let's take some numbers. We know from the video that he has around 80 graphic cards, GPUs, 80. That we also know that he makes like $200 a month mining. So I went to the internet and I checked how much is one graphic card, and one graphic card is around like $400 for mining that he used. But let's say he went to some China or some second hand and he bought it for like $200 or $250. So let's say $250, one graphic card. We know that he has 80 of them, so it's like 20,000 in graphic cards. I here really doubt that he spent so much. It will be probably a little bit less, but maybe like 16 to 20,000 of graphic cards. Is it still possible? But then I checked actually like how much one graphic card is consumption of electric. Okay, but then I need to count how much he pays and waste on electric bill. So you need to take, I check all the 80 graphic cards take exactly 1 kilowatt hour. So 1 kilowatt hour in Europe, it will be similar in US, but let's say it's like $0.2. I guess it makes not so big deal, you will see it later. So basically it's 24 hours, it's 24 kilowatts, it's like around $5 a day he will spend on electric bill. So you need to multiply it with 30 days per month and you have nice $150 per month he spent on electric bill. So basically he makes like $200, $250, $230 a month mining, and he spent $150 on electric bill. So he makes around from $50 to $80 a month. He makes profit on it. But he also spent already like 15 to 20,000 on graphic cards and other equipment. So this guy is mostly YouTuber, because for him to get the money back, like, you know, $50 a month, it's like $600 a year. 10 years, it's like 6,000. 20 years, it's like 12,000. So this kid is full of bullshit. He's not making money mining, he makes money on YouTube. But never mind, it's just one example. I want to know if it's worth it to mine it at home. So we know that electric bill will probably kill you. Also, the GPUs are not worth it to use to mine Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies anymore. So let's go to the second guys, and now it starts to be really interesting because they drop super big numbers and they show us how they do it, and they are super crazy. So first, subscribe and hit the bell icon because we are small channel. So if you want next video and next tips where to invest money, so you need to subscribe first. Let's continue to the guys that are mining Bitcoin in big area. I will find them on YouTube to show you how crazy they are. Okay, they have clickbait title that they are making 70,000 a day mining, but I want to know, you can make 70,000 a day mining, but if you spend like 80,000, you are not profitable. So let's check the guys. Actually, I will explain you what they did.
One of the biggest Bitcoin mines in the United States, and to see what goes on behind the scenes.
Yes. They basically took super nice nature and built their big facility to mine Bitcoin. They use the local hydro energy plant, and so they have cheap electric, and it's crazy what they did actually. It's like big rooms. I'm not sure if it's visible. Yeah.
The whirring sound you're hearing is the server specifically for the Bitcoin. The servers in this room do that by solving a difficult math problem called
Whatever, let's walk through the numbers. So, from the video we know that they mine around 7 bitcoins a day. That we also know that they pay for electric for all this, they pay around $1,000 a day for electric bill. It's perfect because they are close to the source of electric, so they pay a little bit. So from those numbers, it's actually enough for me to know if they are making money or not. Because check the table. I use the information that they are mining 7 bitcoins a day, and this table count me how much terahash power of computing power you need to mine those 7 bitcoins, and it shows me that it's actual number from the last week that you need exactly 1 million terahash per second mining power for it. So I went to the internet and I checked the Bitcoin hardware, Bitcoin equipment for mining that they are using, and from these prices I count that from 1 terahash you need to spend around $100 on the mining equipment. So it's super simple, because if we need 1 million terahash per second and one is cost 100, so basically they spend on equipment 100 millions of exactly $100 million. So the next thing, now we know how much they make per month, and they make around 70,000, but they also spend like 1,000 a month on electric bill, and so their profit is 69,000 per day, actually dollars. And in the table you see that it's around 25 million a year of profits. So this I was amazed from those numbers, and in the current kind of low price of Bitcoin, it's still like they will get the money back in like 4 or 5 years, and if the price go up, they will get the money back even like in short term. So yes, those guys are profitable. I didn't expect it. I think that they are also just doing like marketing, and Bitcoin now is popular. So yes, they make money. So the summary for this, the kit was full of bullshit, and it's not worth it to mine at home on graphic cards. But if you really want to buy mining equipment, or if you have $100 million in your pocket, buy and build a big Bitcoin mining area, so you are welcome. But the question is, if you think it like this, because the kid was mining at home on graphic cards, so you can maybe buy the mining equipment and start to mine at home. But if you take that one computer or one hardware unit costs like even $8,000, and you need like 4 or 5 years to get the money back, and after 4 or 5 years you will start to make profit, and you will start to make, let's say, those like 1,000 on the machine, you will start to make like $1,000 a year. I think it's not worth it, this investment, because there is so much risk, so for so little profit. It makes sense when you make super large investment, when they make like $100 million investment and they are making 25 million back, it makes sense. because it's a lot of money and it's big opportunity. But for you at home, like to wait 5 years and they start to make like $1,000 or $2,000 a year, it's maybe not worth it, you know, to wait so long. So the conclusion from it is it's large investment or don't do it. Yeah, so see you in the next video. And in the next video, actually, it's interesting. I will check if you're... And so motivation to subscribe and to watch next video. In the next video, I will check if your president is full of bullshit or he is real wizard and good investor, because he claims that he made all his profit investing in real estate, you know, in New York and golf and casinos that get bankrupt, but he claims he is good businessman and he understands it. So I will check, because he gets some money from the family, from his father, like $20 million, and I want to compare it. If he really makes so big profits and he's good investor, or if he just put it to some ETF and wait those years if he will make more money. So basically this is the motivation to watch next video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like, smash the like buttons.